there everyone, I'm Kelly D. A new year is a time for new opportunities to improve on things you did last year or to try new things for this year. Today we're going to share a special recipe, completely new. We're going to be making carrot and ginger drink. We've always been told that ginger is really good for you. It aids in digestion and it's an excellent booster for your immune system. But do you also know that carrots are really good for you? They're not only good for improving your eyesight, as we've always been told, but the beta carotene found in carrots is great for that excellent glow that you find on your skin. So ladies, a beauty tip for 2021, make sure to use lots of carrots if you want to have glowing skin. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 2 large carrots. Now I peeled them and chopped them roughly, 2 large carrots. We have 1/4 pound of ginger. I also peeled the ginger and cut it roughly as well because we're going to put it into the blender. We have the juice of 1 lime and sugar to taste. And we have 2 cups of water. Now I'm using regular tap water, but you can use sparkling water just to jazz it up. Now we're going to get ready to blend our ingredients together. So we're going to add our carrots to the blender, and then we're going to add our ginger. You need to start your new year right. A lovely natural drink, carrot and ginger drink. We're going to add 1 cup of water, then we're going to blend it, and I'll show you the next step. We are halfway there. Our carrots and our ginger is finished blending. We would have added another cup of water, so we have about 2 cups of water here. So the next step is to strain the liquid because we're going to add our lime juice, and then we're going to add our sugar to taste. Just look at this rich, bright, gorgeous color of this amazing and refreshing drink. Great for your eyes and perfect for your skin. Our carrot and ginger juice is almost done. I would have strained it at least 2 times, and this is what remained. I would have gotten this peth from straining our juice, and this will be discarded, or if you have animals, you can give this to your animals. So now all we have to do is to add some sugar to taste and add some lime juice. We're going to add our lime juice to bring that acidity, and then sugar to taste. Well, you can absolutely smell the ginger. Now if you like your ginger strong, you can add some more to get that really strong aftertaste, but I don't like my ginger too strong. I like it kind of mild, but that is optional. I just used a 1/4 pound, but if you wanted the ginger to be a little stronger, you can add another 1/4 pound to make it 1/2 pound in total. And once we're finished here, I'm gonna chill and taste our drink for 2021, carrot and ginger drink. Our drink is now done. Now the best part, to taste 1 ice cold glass of carrot and ginger drink. You can absolutely smell the ginger. And I don't like my ginger too strong. Amazing. Carrot and ginger drink. You have to try it.